Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video covers our different types of deck scrubs. Deck scrubs can optimize hygiene when the correct brush is used in relation to the task and floor type. Deck brushes are also often used to clean walls and drains. Vikan offers a broad range of deck scrubs to provide the optimal solution for hygienic and efficient professional cleaning. The selection spans 7 different deck scrubs in varying bristle lengths, stiffnesses, and angles, which can all be used with any Vikan handle. They come in up to 12 colors to fit into most color coding plans. As with other products in our hygiene range, all of these deck scrubs are food contact compliant. First, let's have a look at the compact wall deck scrub. This scrub has extra stiff angled bristles on the outer row to facilitate scrubbing into corners, and stiff bristles in the remaining part of the brush. It is suitable for cleaning around equipment and against walls. It complies with HACCP principles. Next, we have the Vikan water-fed deck scrub, which allows water to flow through the brush as well as through a water-fed handle. The water-fed deck scrub comes with either medium or very hard bristles, both suitable for heavily soiled areas. Next is the wall floor washing brush, which comes in 2 widths. It has longer bristles than the deck scrubs we saw before, which allows it to reach into grouting and indentations. It is suitable for cleaning all types of floor surfaces, including epoxy, tiles, and cement. This next scrub is the Vikan high-low brush. It effectively cleans and scrubs floor-to-wall junctions and under machines and equipment, and features an angled thread that lets you use the brush with the handle positioned parallel to the floor. It is also ideal for cleaning drains and gullies. Here we have the Vikan water-fed washing brush with angle adjustment. It easily removes dust and dirt from high-level, difficult-to-reach areas, on walls and outside tanks, as well as windows, with this fully adjustable neck. Features split fiber bristles that retain water to improve cleaning efficacy. This is the Vikan crevice scrub. It is effective for cleaning beneath and between machines and equipment with an angle adjustable neck that can even be used with the handle parallel to the floor. The arrow-shaped filaments reach into small cracks and crevices, while a middle row of extra stiff filaments provide high scrubbing efficacy. Finally, there is the Vikan Ultra-Safe Technology Deck Scrub. This UST deck scrub comes with angled bristle security units for effective removal of stubborn dirt from both textured and smooth surfaces in high-risk areas. All UST brushes feature a unique bristle system that minimizes the risk of contamination and bristle loss, making it the optimal choice for ultra-hygienic cleaning purposes. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan deck scrubs. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.